First go to the file and choose open. Select this girl image. Press open. Now take the rectangular marquee tool and select the image like this. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate the selected area, hide bottom layer. Now hold Ctrl button and click on the layer thumbnail. Open select, modify and choose contract. Here increase the contract by 30 pixels. Press OK. Again go to select, this time choose inverse. Then go to edit and choose fill. Here select content aware option and click OK. Now press Ctrl D to deselect. Expose the bottom layer. Let's see the final result.